I am applying Kiehl's oil-based primer. I wanted a primer that was very strong, so I went with the oil base. As I've said before, I don't like working with oil base, but this time I felt it was warranted. So basically what I'm doing, I'm going to show you how to get rid of brush strokes, or at least minimize them. I'm just getting this primer on, getting it on real quick. It doesn't have to be super thick. I'm just getting it on, and then I'm just going to get rid of those straight brush strokes by taking my brush over it and just doing a little bit of wiggling on it. Get rid of those peaks and valleys of the straight brush strokes. Then I'm going to give it a minute. And then very lightly run my brush over it. I'm not exerting any pressure whatsoever. I'm just kind of hitting those peaks and valleys. And this is somewhat self-leveling, but I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of help. And if you've done it really thick and still concerned about peaks and valleys, go the other way. I'm using a brush I can just pitch, so I don't have to worry about cleaning this brush. Normally you would use mineral spirits to clean anything that's oil-based, but I'm just going to pitch the brush. Got these brushes super cheap, so it's no big loss to pitch it. Make sure that your room is well ventilated. Wear protection. Respirator is a good idea at this point. And then let it dry. I suggest you let it dry overnight. That's what I normally do, because you want it very dry for your next step. Don't sand it. If you sand it, you break the seal of the primer. So just let it dry, let it self-level, don't sand it, and then you can paint when it's dry.